Our solar system is full of incredible worlds. Some are hotter than an oven, some are colder than Antarctica, and some have giant storms bigger than Earth itself. Let's explore 10 of the most important objects in our solar system. The Sun. Type: star. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. It is about 150 million kilometers, 93 million miles from Earth, and provides the light and heat that make life on Earth possible. The surface temperature is around 5,500 degrees Celsius, 9,900 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is so massive that it contains almost all the matter in the solar system, and its gravity keeps all the planets in orbit around it. More than 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. Mercury. Type: planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun, about 77 million kilometers, 48 million miles, from Earth on average. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Temperatures can reach 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and drop to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit at night. A year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days, making it the fastest planet to travel around the Sun. Venus. Type: planet. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it is similar in size. It is about 41 million kilometers, 25 million miles, from Earth at its closest approach. The average temperature is around 465 degrees Celsius, 870 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus rotates extremely slowly, so one full rotation takes longer than the time it needs to complete one orbit around the Sun. In other words, a day on Venus is longer than its year. Earth. Type: planet. Earth is our home and the only known planet with life. It has an average surface temperature of about 15 degrees Celsius, 59 degrees Fahrenheit, and a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles. About 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, which helps support millions of different forms of life. Mars. Type: planet. Mars is known as the red planet because of its rusty-colored surface. It is about 225 million kilometers, 140 million miles, from the Sun. Average temperatures are around minus 60 degrees Celsius, minus 76 degrees Fahrenheit. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, which is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Jupiter. Type: planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Its cloud top temperature is around minus 145 degrees Celsius, minus 230 degrees Fahrenheit. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a giant storm larger than Earth that has been raging for hundreds of years. Saturn. Type: planet. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made mostly of ice and rock particles. It is the second largest planet in the solar system, and temperatures near its clouds are about minus 178 degrees Celsius, minus 288 degrees Fahrenheit. Saturn is much less dense than water, meaning that if there were a giant ocean large enough, Saturn would actually float instead of sink. Uranus. Type: planet. Uranus is an ice giant that appears blue-green because of methane in its atmosphere. It is about 2,900,000,000 kilometers, 1,800,000,000 miles, from the Sun, and temperatures can fall below minus 220 degrees Celsius, minus 364 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike most planets, Uranus is tilted so much that it rotates almost on its side, as if it were rolling around the sun like a ball. Neptune. Type: planet. Neptune is the farthest major planet from the sun. It is about 4,500,000,000 kilometers, 2,800,000,000 miles away, and temperatures average around minus 214 degrees Celsius, minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune has some of the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching over 2,000 kilometers per hour, 1,200 miles per hour. Pluto. Type: dwarf planet. Pluto was once considered the ninth planet, but is now classified as a dwarf planet. It is about 5,900,000,000 kilometers, 3,700,000,000 miles from the sun on average, and surface temperatures are around minus 230 degrees Celsius, minus 382 degrees Fahrenheit. One day on Pluto lasts about 6 Earth days because it rotates very slowly, from the giant sun at the center of our solar system to the icy dwarf planet Pluto. These amazing worlds show us how diverse and fascinating space can be. The more we learn about our solar system, the more we discover how incredible our place in the universe truly is.